today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup declutter video. Yeah, I talk really fast, if you don't understand that. I'm going to be doing a makeup declutter video. Technically, because my makeup collection is so small, I'm doing a makeup collection declutter. So most of the things I'm probably going to get rid of are like lip products. All of my like primers, foundations and concealers are all new, so I know I'm not really getting rid of any of them. And by getting rid of, I mean giving them to my mom. So guys, if you want to see my makeup collection declutter, then keep on watching. So over here, I have all my setting sprays. I have my Australis one in the back, my NYX Essence, and then my Fur one. I'm keeping all them. They're great. Tilt up, no, too far. Here we have a selection of high-end products. Rightio. So ignore this dust. So here we have my MAC Beauty powder. This is one of my favorite blushes. It's in the shade Pearl Blossom. Keeping that, obviously. Keeping my limited edition Nutcracker collection blush from MAC. Also, it came out in 2016, I believe. Keeping my Too Faced blushes, my Too Faced highlighter, the Candlelight Glow highlighter. That's the Leopard bronzer. Here's where we run into a snag. I've had these Benny Balms since 2014. But I don't want to get rid of them because of the packaging. And they still smell alright. I mean, this one I think I got in 2016. So this one's definitely okay. Well, I say that and I'm not sure. But anyway. I just don't want to get rid of them. Because then I have no other high-end product to fill that space. So, I mean, I'll get rid of them one day. So these are my favourite MAC lipsticks. These are my bright lipsticks. And these two here are my mum's. So obviously I'm not getting rid of them. Here I have my Candy K lip kit from Kylie, the gloss, and then I have the Exposed lip kit. So these two I'm getting rid of, and by getting rid of I mean giving them to my mum. This is technically my mum's lipstick, okay? This is an Elizabeth Arden lipstick that's bloody red. That's a bloody red colour. And this is the Lipstick Queen PH changing colour, changing green lipstick thing. I mean, I've actually used quite a lot of it because it's got a balmy texture, wow, balmy formulation. It's just, no, I love the packaging. It feels soft closing, like I just, oh, it's so soft, wow. Cool, I've got rid of 2 things so far. Okay, and then if we move on to my Alex 9 drawers, ignore the cup. Okay, so here we have a range of lipsticks. You can't see these exactly, but these need to go. This is a Barry M, no that's a lie, this is a balm lip gloss, and the lid is just, it's leaked. Something's happened here and I don't know what. It's a really disgusting formula too, not gonna lie. It's so sheer and feels so weird on the lips, so she's gone. Oopsies. This is a lipstick from Rimmel. If we look at it, it's a dark purple and I'm never gonna wear that, so she's gone too. This is a gloss again from Rimmel. I mean, I hate the formula. It's just it feels so weird and thick and goopy. It's just not a nice lip gloss formula. And the colour, oh, it makes my lips feel warm. It's really weird. I don't like it. My favourite lip gloss formula is this. This is amazing. This is the NYX Lingerie. Keeping my Maybelline Matte Inks over here. Then this I'm still unsure about. I'm gonna say get rid of it because my mum stole it for a good like 3 months. And I couldn't find it and I didn't miss it. So this is a Australis Demi Matte Lip Cream. It's in this kind of like orangey nude shade. Here we have some Maybelline lip balms. Okay, this is an Essence lipstick. I used to love it, but it's just not my color. It's a baby pink, no thanks. Again, what even was I thinking? This is a Color Drama lip pencil from Maybelline. Look at the shade. It's hot pink. Flippin' hot pink. What was I thinking? I'm going to keep 2 of them. I have this nude one and this kind of light pink one. They look like this, like those ones. And then I just have a L'Oreal lipstick, an Essence one, and another nude one from Rimmel. So, yeah, that's about it. This is from 2014. This was a MAC Holiday lip gloss set. As you can see, it looks disgusting, but they still look so pretty. These two are limited edition. These ones are not though. If you like the look of the color and the glitter, this is a Dazzle gloss in the shade Sugar Rimmed. So that's a really pretty glittering color, and this is my favorite lip gloss of all time. This is a this is a cream sheen glass in the shade Just Superb. So yeah, but unfortunately I'm saying goodbye to this because it's just not safe to use it. That's going in the bin. Here we have something from the Nutcracker collection. I actually think some of these are going moldy, like I'm not gonna lie. Guys, is this mold? What is that green crud? Okay, we're gonna say we're parting with it. Okay, there we go. That's all I've kept. Literally, that's all my lip products apart from my high-end ones. And hello to my eyeshadow drawer. My babies. Oh, okie dokie. So I love a good eyeshadow palette. So most of these are high-end. Same with like my highlighters and blushes and that kind of thing. I love all those things, so they're high-end. The only eyebrow product I'm getting rid of is this NYX one, and this color is so red. It is so harsh too. Look at that color. What even is this? It looks nothing like the lid at all. That's fraud. You're gone. I'm keeping all my other stuff. So over here I have like glitters, which I haven't used yet. I have a bunch of Essence eyeshadows and Chi eyeshadows, which I'm not a big fan of. This is a Chi one. I'm gonna get rid of it because it's just not great. I mean, when you put it on your eyelid, it blends away instantaneously. Although in saying that, I do like this one. This is a taupey cool tone brown, and that's really nice. But I'm also going to get rid of this Stralis one. It's a single eyeshadow. I got it in as a sample from somewhere. It has no pigmentation to it. Okay, there we go. That's all done. And then up here we have this little thing I made for my eyeliners. I don't know how to feel about these. These are NYX liquid eyeshadows. Okay, this is once. Very nice pigmentation there, right? But swipe again and it just comes right off. Like, I'm gonna try and play around with these. Okay, now for my eyeshadows and stuff. This is my Morphe 35B. Keeping my natural eyes, keeping my cat eyes, keeping my peanut butter, keeping totally cute. I just needed to move these, that's why I picked them all up. Okay, keeping all my Too Faced ones here, and keeping my Urban Decay After Dark, even though it's limited edition. It's really nice and pigmented. Keeping my Chocolate Bonbon palette, and I'm getting rid of this eyeshadow palette. This is such bad quality, so that's going. Okay, I have my Super Shock shadows. I have an ear thing. Okay. This mascara needs to go. This is so dry, old, and used up. It just needs to go. It's the Bourjois Paris Volume Reveal Mascara, and the rest are pretty okay. Keeping my eyeshadow base and glitter primer. And up here we have some small little palettes. This is from CoverGirl, and I've literally had this since I was like 11, maybe, no, that's 12, yeah. It's a disgrace. Look at this. Ugh, getting rid of that. The quality of CoverGirl is so bad. Keeping my ColourPop eyeshadows, obviously. Even though I hate this, I'm keeping it because it's good for transition colors because it's sheer. Oh yeah, and I also have this Essence one. This is so cute. Okay, so that is all the eye products. I recently got this, so I'm keeping it. I'm getting rid of my Benefit What's Up highlighter. This is so bad. I hate cream products. It does not work on me. Be gone. I have never used this Clinique blush. My mum will probably like it though, so I'm going to give it to her. I'm getting rid of this. I borrowed it from my mum and I'm going to give it back because I don't like it. It's just not working for me. I'm getting rid of this from Australis. It's got such bad flashback and it's so white on your face. I'm getting rid of my Australis banana powder because it's really too yellow for my pale skin. My hourglass one over here is really sad. I'm just going to get rid of it because there's no point in trying to scrape it anymore. It's just, she's gone. My NYX contour, I really don't like this. I mean, I like the top shades, they're okay, but these are too red for me. I'm probably going to give it to my mum because I'm just never going to reach for it. And if I do end up reaching for it, I can just borrow it from her, so I'm going to get rid of that. That's all done. This is my foundation, concealer, and primer. So, keeping all them. I'm keeping my foundations, even though this one's completely the wrong shade. I love the formula. And I can just mix it with these two, because these are running low, so I mix them. Okay, so I have some high-end products, like my Touch of Silk Canvas. There's an expensive crap. Then Professional Licensed Lip Gloss. That's about all my high-end products. The primer I'm getting rid of is from Maybelline. It's the Instant Age Rewind, and it's just so oily on my face. I just don't like it. So it's going. And I'm keeping those. Hey it's me. Okay, so this is all the makeup we're getting rid of. So we have quite a variety of product. We have some high-end, lots of drugstore, quite a lot of lip products, eyeshadows, and just some used up products and other ones that are absolutely awful. So in total we have 25 or 26. I think I miscounted and it's 25. But we got rid of 25 things and I did not know that I was going to get rid of that much. If we just take a quick look. This is my favorite drawer, so I kept pretty much everything. So we actually got rid of quite a bit, considering my makeup collection is quite small. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and by get rid of, I do mean, I'll say it again, giving to my mum, or one of my friends, even though I'll probably go to my mum. Again, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time in the next one. Bye!